Notion Calendar versus Fantastical. Which Mac calendar app is better? Links to both products were added to the description for those who want to explore features firsthand. When comparing Notion Calendar and Fantastical, we're looking at two very different approaches to calendar management on Mac. Notion Calendar is part of the larger Notion ecosystem, which is a hybrid of note-taking, project management, and database tools. Its calendar view allows you to organize tasks, projects, and deadlines in a highly customizable way, linking directly to pages, notes, and databases. This makes it ideal for users who want a centralized productivity hub where tasks, projects, and schedules all live in one place. You can create recurring events, assign tasks to team members, track project timelines, and even build custom workflows that combine your calendar with project databases. However, because it is part of Notion, the calendar itself is more of a visual project tool than a dedicated timekeeping app, meaning features like natural language event creation, automatic syncing with external calendars, or rich notifications are limited or require workarounds. Fantastical, on the other hand, is a Mac-first dedicated calendar app built specifically for time management. It excels at traditional calendar tasks, creating events, setting reminders, scheduling recurring meetings, and syncing seamlessly with Google Calendar, iCloud, Microsoft Exchange, and other services. Its natural language input allows you to type "lunch with John at 1 p.m. tomorrow" and automatically create the event, which saves significant time compared to manual entry. Fantastical also supports multiple calendar views, time zone management, shared calendars, and robust notifications that keep you on track throughout the day. The interface is polished and intuitive, making it suitable for professionals, executives, and anyone who needs a reliable, high-functioning Mac calendar app without the extra steps of customizing a workspace. In practice, Notion Calendar shines if your workflow revolves around project management and you want a unified system for tasks, notes, and schedules. Fantastical shines if you need a dedicated, fully featured calendar for personal or professional time management, especially when syncing across multiple services. Users often describe Notion as better for team-based project planning and Fantastical as better for individual time efficiency and professional scheduling. So, which Mac calendar app is better? If your priority is project-focused, integrated productivity with a high degree of customization, Notion Calendar is the choice. If your priority is robust, polished calendar management with effortless event creation and syncing, Fantastical is clearly superior. The best choice depends on whether you want a project-centric hub or a dedicated calendar for time management.